Echo chile chingia kirage chirangi chiga niko chile chibirengo punabono mbabwata chirangi chogwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chile chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chile chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga niko chile korwase chile cheli guririke ililia gatigati wekaliguri lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi kabunuragani ochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yanyora gwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chebiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eywere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Getembe TV mwancho murigire boire Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchira yo bwenge kabana into ko moiro chingiro wa Catherine Nyaboga wiso ni makoro cross omunwa oribo imanyiriro ebunge ya serikali ya county Nyamira nigo eyendrete ne bigi karo erioko kwanera emirobere ye county yo aba mse abone go barachi ko kwanera oroboti igoro yo gwakona kumeshara gocha saba kore miromo be county yo aseboigo ba kwanere buna osaseboigo batebire ebengeri ya KCB nero irachi kongya kobaka na engere yabo yakera omutinyi.
Staff who the County Public Service Board recommended that they be reinstated, but to different job groups. They were 5 in number. This is not yet reinstated. Number 3, Mr. Speaker. Staff who the County Public Service Board recommended that they be reinstated, but to different job groups with no letters to effect the new job groups. The number was 8. This has not been done, Mr. Speaker. Number 4. Staff who the County Public Service Board recommended that they be reinstated back to their previous job groups and have already been reinstated. These 4 have been reinstated, Mr. Speaker. Number 5, Mr. Speaker. New appointments were 6 and these were new job groups, Mr. Speaker. Number 6, ECD teachers, Mr. Speaker, were 6 and they are already reinstated. Number 7, Mr. Speaker, demoted were 108, and they are to be demoted, Mr. Speaker. Number 8, further demoted 10 to be further demoted to lower job groups below the initial demotion. Number 9, Mr. Speaker, exits were 25, and they exited the service through retirement, death, transfer of service, or resignation, Mr. Speaker. Number 6, the County Executive Committee member purported that he had done an analysis of the recommendations as captured in the County Public Service Board report and is to submit the same to the Cabinet for approval before implementation of the same.
Aware that the House is on recess, but however the House leadership consulted and it was resolved that today, 22nd of July 2025, we are having a special sitting, and it is prudent that we dispense the business that was gazetted. Honorable Speaker, sir, and therefore move a procedural motion to allow debate of the motion on the Kenya Commercial Bank's proposal for early salary processing for the County Assembly of Nyamira. I beg to move and I call upon Honorable Afuti Nyamino to say.
Mwaziri wa bokareri bwa serikali omoske Geoffrey Ruku nigo akwa atebira serikali nigo igendete kubeka omokia ria koroseria abasai amabagaye mirimo okwana koro ebungi Ibere no Ruku nigo airere gatie miroberere serikali ya rosiri ria koroseria abasai amabagaye mirimo na koro kubolyo guchasa abasai kubwatira amabagayo koboko eri achie kubakonya
employment ya vijana. Na mimi nataka kusema nikiwa hapa Ibere North, vijana wasikie na wasikie vizuri. Wakati serikali inasema kuna mpango ya kupeleka vijana majuu, hiyo mpango inafanya kazi. Enda pale katika National Employment Authority, weka your details pale. Tuko na vijana about 400,000 ambao kwa sasa wanafanya kazi katika mataifa tofauti ya nchi tofauti ya dunia. Katika mpango wa affordable housing program ambao unaendelea katika kona tofauti, pia una ajiri vijana pale. Katika mpango wa climate works ama kazi mtaani ambao imeanza juzi, pia hiyo ni mpango ambao inaajiri vijana. Katika mpango ambao ya biashara ambao inaitwa Nyota, where the business communities, those who are starting small businesses, wanapata 50,000 Kenya shilling. Lakini lazima ukuwe na biashara, uende uregister pale kwa mtandao na uweze kupata ile 50,000 ya kuinua biashara yako kutokana na serikali. Jameni, kuna mipango mingi ambayo serikali inafanya kupitia maono, kupitia upendo, kupitia the hard working of the
Mwaziri wechibesa omoske John Ng'ong'ombadi nigo akwanire bigocha ensi ya Kenya egendrete gwetera au anene mono koruense merie ya uchumi na boigo siasa. Mbadi nigo akwanire oboiti bwa bantu chingaki bakorobekana sa atebere igati abanyanyimbo nigo bayimokerigwe ebitambo kero nabwo nago kikeria ebikore byo gbosaria enibo kwengera abasubati chingaki abantu bakorobekana.
To see what is happening in this country today. Whatever we are seeing is not genuine concern of wananchi complaining about bad or poor governance. We know that we are not perfect as a country. We know that we still have a long way to go in all spheres of life, whether economic, social, political. We have made some steps and we are still making steps. Politically, Kenya is envied in the region as one of the democratic states in this region. But if there is a problem with the police and that has been investigated, there is killing and it has been investigated, the culprits are already arrested, they are already charged in court and being prosecuted. What else do you want the government to do? Does that give you the permission to go and loot supermarket? Does that give you excuse to go and vandalize petrol stations? Does it give you excuse to rape our women? Does it give you excuse to steal from the shops and the eateries, people who have nothing to do with that brutality? There is no democracy that allows you to infringe on the rights of others. And that is what we saw. And it is this, that people think that these people who are convincing us that there is nothing happening in this country, what is it that is going so bad that was not happening during Uhuru Kenyatta's time?
Watani kore sekta ya wachenu ni gawaruro kubodia gochase serikali korigereria sekta area pharmacy kose sekta ekorosia maliogo na boigo ebintu byobobwenia eye magiga yorobotirwa bwanguga korokya buna igatia maliogo nigo abereka gusarika na boigo okomenteka gwituka cyokonya maliogo ase mitandao.
Happy that today we are celebrating the oathing ceremony and now we have a new president. I think what I just want to say, our overall goal is focused on a 4-point agenda. So we are working on education, policy, innovation, and collaboration. So in all our functions, in all our endeavors, it has to be epic and it has to be done well.
We cannot talk about universal health coverage without talking about quality, without talking about access. And the pharmacist is the most accessible person. And so we need to focus on issues such as counterfeit medications that are rearing their heads up. Now, the other problem I think we have in Kenya is the issue of quacks. And I think the outgoing president has also mentioned about everybody just opening up a pharmacy. So that is one of the things that as the incoming leadership we are going to tackle head on.
But with this leadership, we will now are available and we are calling on all stakeholders, Ministry of Health, Pharmacy and Poisons Board. We work together so that we can actually get this country to maturity level 3, which will advance the country to be able to export pharmaceuticals, create jobs, bring knowledge and skills transfer to our country so that as a nation we can be able to be secure with pharmaceuticals. Yeah.
Amakori mirimo bechi university cha serikali ni gawaruro kubodia gocha serikali korigereria egati mirobiro yobochene gose insurance company gokwana ne egati yebyombe bechi university mbuna uwasu ni gawaruro kubodia kuri echi company echo bunenchira yamo yoko ina kyabuna na barabungo nyora bare emirobiro miya na komoche egati echi company na gotabana chyo chabere ebigocha ase bare.
An insurance that's limited to about 4,000 per visit. An insurance that you are told you only have 2 visits per month. This is unheard of in the history of this university. And they know we have a negative history with this cover, but they still went ahead and procured and gave them the tender. So what we are asking for is that this tender or this contract be terminated. They give us an option even as they process the next insurance cover that will give the staff what they really need.
We have members of staff here who have gone to 5 hospitals in one night looking for a hospital that will accept that cover. Meanwhile, the patient is suffering. So because of all these reasons, and now it is 5 weeks since this cover was rolled out, and because of the insensitive nature of our UMB, we've decided to now picket and tell the world what's happening at Just.
Kai komina isato cha butokire igore Chinsa Isano na Ibere cha bono mugaso na ra yokore Ekeonga senchira yo wenye ikomi Wilson Makori makwis kure studio kamera ncha Catherine Nyaboga ntuchukira na ga tokore tra yo manaenda manga senchira ile yo wekira no toro borigero borobia asembro bya Getembe TV ekobwatia.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka ucyase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yetu nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate dumrang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asa mabati ali aye chigage emerongibere na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya sigika ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yego toka se nyumba ya ouru complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
I'm on